How to get a free MacBook. Laptops have become indispensable devices in today's life because of their uses for various purposes, including online recharge, internet banking, bill payment, listening to music, entertainment, online education, internet surfing, playing games, etc. However, laptops still need to be within reach for several people, and they need help to purchase one. Ways to get a free MacBook. There are multiple ways to get a free MacBook. We have shared a few of them. 1. Apple giveaways and contests/promotions. Many companies and websites offer free MacBook giveaways. You can participate in these giveaway contests to get a MacBook. 2. Take Apple's trade-in program. Apple offers a trade-in program where you trade in your eligible old laptop or computer in good working condition and receive credit to purchase a new MacBook. 3. Become a reviewer or product tester. The other legitimate way includes becoming a reviewer or product tester, where you use, test, and review the product to boost its publicity. 4. Get a MacBook at no cost with a subscription. You can also get a free MacBook from service providers. Many phone companies, network operators, and retailers offer deals to new customers to use their services. How to avoid free MacBook scams. While searching online for MacBook providers at no cost, you might encounter a scam by many fake companies claiming to offer you a MacBook at zero price.